Hi friends, welcome to Fabulous Chef. In today's video, let's see how to make a Chinese crunchy beans. Do try this amazing recipe. So first, let's boil the beans, which is cut into 1-inch slices with some salt and some sugar. Do not overcook the beans. Just parboil it and immediately transfer the beans into a bowl containing ice water. Remember not to overcook the beans. It should be nice and crunchy. At that stage, you need to transfer the beans into a bowl containing ice cold water. Let's see the ingredients. I have some chopped garlic, 2 green chilies, some oyster sauce, some sugar, some salt, and about 2 onions which is sliced. Now take a pan. Add about 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, let's add the chopped garlic, about 10 numbers. And stir fry it. The garlic gives a very good flavor to this dish. Let's also add about 2 green chilies which is slit. You can alter the chilies according to your taste. Now let's add the sliced onions. I've taken about 2 numbers. So stir fry it till they are nice and brown. Now let's add the cooked beans. Stir fry all the ingredients together. Let's add about half a teaspoon of sugar and half a teaspoon of salt. And also add about 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Now let's add about half a cup of water and mix well. At this stage, let's make a corn flour slurry with 1 tablespoon of corn flour and some water and mix it into the beans. As soon as you add the corn flour, you can see that the sauce is becoming nice and thick. At this stage, check the seasoning. Always remember, the beans should not be overcooked. It should be nice and crunchy. That's it friends, our delicious crunchy Chinese beans is ready. Do try this recipe. Like, subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below.